A foldable iPhone is expected to be Apple's most ambitious smartphone upgrade yet, bringing the company's signature premium design into the world of flexible displays. According to the most credible rumors, Apple is working on a book-style foldable iPhone with a large 7.8-inch inner OLED display and a 5.5-inch outer screen, giving users both a compact phone and a tablet-like experience in one device. Apple is reportedly focusing heavily on durability, using a titanium frame and an advanced liquid metal hinge, while also pushing for a nearly crease-free display, one of the biggest problems with current foldables. In terms of features, leaks suggest Apple may include Touch ID in the power button instead of Face ID due to space limitations, along with a dual-lens rear camera system and a slim premium build. The foldable iPhone is also expected to use high-density battery technology, possibly giving it the largest iPhone battery ever, around 5,400 to 5,800 mAh. As for the release date, most analysts currently predict Apple will launch its first foldable iPhone in late 2026 or early 2027, though timelines could shift depending on hinge and display development. Overall, the foldable iPhone is shaping up to be a futuristic, ultra-premium device that could redefine the iPhone experience once Apple finally enters the foldable race.